solving the Rubik's Cube twee by twee. On your smarts. Set smets. Bing, 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 bing. Which means go.
I know how to Mero crack.
It's been like 10 seconds so far. 20 seconds. Almost been a minute.
How's it almost a minute?
Because there's 48 seconds, 49, 50. $59, $60. So one. He's almost got it, guys. Just about. Is he gonna do it? Look at that face. That dedicated face. No, look. Oh, he's so close. Did you show them what you got so far? Show them what you've...
Yeah, like this so far. Got the side solved.
Nice. Now I could solve any side on any Rubik's Cube.
Of course you can.
I mean one side, but still. No, like no joke. Any single Rubik's Cube.
Oh, one step skipped.
Skipped one step, guys. It's been 2 minutes. Just to let you guys know, he hacked life, and that's how he knows how to solve this.
No, he
No, he
didn't.
doesn't. He's used the apps on App Store and stuff like that.
I actually watched a YouTube video of like how to solve it, and I still remembered it. And another step skipped.
It's almost done. He dropped it, which took about 5 seconds.
Yes!
And he finished.